Learn how to create Windows 11 bootable USB drive, which will be very handy for you in case if you want to repair your computer, if you have any issues if you want to reset your PC, if you want to do a fresh installation of Windows 11 in your laptop or a desktop, this bootable Windows 11 flash drive will be very handy, very useful. And it is really very easy to create it. So the very first thing, we need to download the ISO first. So open any of your favorite browser and type Windows 11 download. Now once you have typed it, hit enter. Now the very first result will come, download Windows 11 Microsoft.com. So with the help of this website, we will be creating a bootable USB drive, and here we get many options: Windows 11 installation assistant, create Windows 11 installation media, and download Windows 11 disk image. So we will select download Windows 11 multi-edition. And before we begin, please make sure you have at least 8 gigabytes free space on your flash drive and sufficient internet, at least 5 GB. And you just need to click on download, and it will give you more options to download from here. You can select the language. I'll select English United States, and I'll click on confirm. Now the moment I do it, it will ask me to install, it will ask me to download Windows 11 64-bit. And here I just need to click on that, and it will start downloading Windows 11 ISO. So I can see it's getting downloaded, and overall size is 5.2 GB. Once you have downloaded the Windows 11 ISO, the next thing we need to do is to insert the USB flash drive in your computer, and open browser again and type Rufus and hit enter. I'll just maximize what you need to type, and you will find Rufus create bootable USB drive. I'll just click on that, and I'll just maximize it. Now I just need to scroll down, and here under download section we have this Rufus 3.18. I'll just click on that, and I'll just close this, and here I can see the file has been downloaded, and I just need to open it. It will ask you to say yes, and very soon we will have a new window. Now I can see drive properties, and from here you can select your USB flash drive like this from device section, and in the boot selection you need to select disk or ISO image, and from here we need to select the ISO file. So the file which we have just downloaded, the Windows 11 64-bit, we just need to select that, and we need to click on open, and here we need to select image option. Now if you want without TPM secure boot, you can select that, and if you want with TPM, you can also select that. So just do a right click in the start icon, and then go to device manager, and once the device manager is open, here we need to go to this disk drives, and I'll just click on that, and here I see my hard drive here. I just need to do a right click, and I'll go to properties, and from here under volume, and from volumes you can find the partition style. So in most of the cases it will be GPT. You can check it and select according to partition scheme. So once you're done, you just need to click on start, and it will take 5 to 10 minutes to create a Windows 11 bootable USB flash drive. I hope you will find this very short tutorial helpful, and please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.